So how do I sound? I'm using this new Shure SM7B sent to me by Worldwide Stereo. So thank you to Worldwide Stereo. Thank you to Shure for making sure I have good audio for you guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Klipsch RP600Ms. Finally, I know you guys have been wanting me to check these out for a long time, and finally they're here. So thank you to Klipsch for sending these out. Yeah, I'm very excited. These are the first pair of Klipsch speakers that I've actually gotten a chance to try out. So yeah, this is a first for me, and I'm excited for it. I swear to you guys. I mean, I'm really kind of curious, like why are these so popular? You know what I mean? There must be a reason. So this is gonna be it. All right, so let me go ahead here, cut this open. Boom. All right, so there it is there. What do we have? A user manual. This is a thick user manual. And it looks like some rubber feet to keep the speakers from sliding around. What else? That looks like about it. I'll check that out later. All right, how heavy are you guys going to be? Let's see. All right, so they have some weight to them, but they're also large enough so it kind of balances it out. Yeah, kind of like the heft that you'd expect for a speaker this size. And the next one here. All right, so right now I am focused in here on the Klipsch RP600M. Go ahead and take the plastic off of this. All right, ooh, smooth. This is smooth. Front grill right here. That's got to come off. And there it is, right there. Boom. Magnetic grill? Yes. There's a magnetic grill. Take that off. This looks like it is plastic back here, and it does have felt to make sure that it doesn't scratch up the front of the speaker. Now, to me, that's a good looking speaker. I like the way that all looks. All right, so real quick, let me read off some specs here. It says that it's using a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter with hybrid Tractrix horn, a 6.5-inch spun copper Serra metallic woofer, rear firing Tractrix port, a dual binding post for bi-wiring bi-amping. Okay, so they have a claimed frequency response between 45 and 25 kilohertz, plus or minus 3 dB. They claim a sensitivity of 96 dB, power handling of 100 watts continuous, 400 watts peak. So basically, this is saying that this can get pretty loud. Crossover is at 1500 hertz. This is 8 ohms. What else does it have here? MDF. All right. Weight is 16 pounds. This looks like an ebony finish. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look from a different angle here. There's the side. There is the bottom. Here's a different view right there. All right. So real quick, this is rubber, right? This feels like some kind of maybe plastic. Yeah. And they're saying that this is Serra metallic. I don't know what that means. This feels like rubber here. But overall, it looks very nice to me. Klipsch right there on the front. All right, let's look at the back. So there's the back. There is that vent there, that port, and it is shaped differently than other ports that I've seen before. Yeah, so you see a dual binding post there. So if you want to buy wire, yeah, there it is right there. So I'm kind of curious to see how these compare in size to the debut reference, which I have back here. Let me just pull those out just to kind of give you an idea. So there you have it. Yeah. Top view. Very similar in size, with the Klipsch being a little bit taller and a little bit deeper, about the same width. These ELACs are a bit heavier though. The ELACs are 18 pounds. These are 16 pounds each. All right, so I know what people want to know. Some people have already answered this question, but people want to know how this compares to something like the ELAC UB5. And my guess is that they're just completely different animals, different type of design, different design philosophy. And so I think they're going to sound very different. And I think they're going to be, I'm guessing they're going to be good based on what I've heard other people say. So hopefully they are. Yeah, I think these are going to compare well. I want to see how they compare to those ELACs also. So we'll have to wait. Stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll make sure to do my best to answer all those questions. Anyway, if you like the video, stay tuned for the full review. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Anyway, that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.